This video will show you how to add an inspection agreement to your inspection report. PalmTech gives you the ability to easily add in an inspection agreement to each inspection. The first step is to add in a new category for the agreement. To do this, we'll go up to Tools, Add Category. Here it asks us if we want to copy an existing category, and we're going to click on No. And then it pops up where we can give the category name, and we're going to call this Inspection Agreement. We'll uncheck the option for Use Line Numbers and Ratings in Printed Report, and then we'll click on OK. This brings up the screen where we can choose where we want the category to show up. Typically, this appears at the beginning of the report, so we're going to go ahead and click on Insert at Top, so it's the first category, and then we'll click on OK. You can now see that the inspection agreement category is at the top of the list, and when we click on it, you'll notice that it's blank. This is because all we've done is added in an empty category. Now we need to add in the inspection agreement component. To do this, we'll go to Tools, Add Component. We'll find Inspection Agreement from the list, and then we'll click on OK to add it in. The inspection agreement component has now been added. The first few lines are where the program is going to automatically pull some of the key inspection information from the general information category, such as the client name, address, and some property information. Next, we have a spot where you can insert your agreement. Let's go ahead and click on this note to see how it works. The first thing you want to do when adding your agreement in is just clear out this text here, which just helps explain how it works. So we'll highlight all of it, and then we'll clear it out. And now we want to add in our own text. And you can do that by either typing it up, or if you have it electronically, you can copy it from another document and then paste it in. And so you can type it in. So let's say this is my agreement. But if you have it in another document, whether that's a PDF or a Word document, if you can just pull that up, highlight all the text that you want, then just copy it, and then just paste it in here. And that can be a huge time saver versus having to retype the whole thing. Once you have the agreement set up the way you want, simply click on OK. And then finally, as part of this agreement, we have a spot where your client can sign and then date the agreement. And this works great on any touchscreen device like an iPhone, iPad, Android phone or tablet, or a Windows tablet. Now that the inspection agreement has been added, let's take a look at it in the report. And to do this, we're going to go to Print Preview. And we're going to skip ahead through the cover page. And right after the table of contents, we have the agreement that we added in. You can set it up so that the agreement is always there when you start a new inspection with the template. For more information on how to do this, watch the video on creating your own template. This concludes the video on adding an inspection agreement to your inspection report.